What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment mechanism that does not rely on banks for transaction verification. It's a peer-to-peer payment system that allows anybody to send and receive money anywhere. Instead of being real money that can be carried around and traded, cryptocurrency payments only exist as digital entries in an online database that describes specific transactions. Transactions involving Bitcoin funds are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrencies are typically held in digital wallets, most notably a blockchain wallet, which allows users to manage and trade various cryptocurrencies. The term cryptocurrency refers to encryption to verify transactions. This means specialized coding is required to store and transport cryptocurrency data between wallets and public ledgers. Encryption's goal is to ensure security and safety. How does cryptocurrency work? Next, the question is how they operate without any central system. Instead of relying on government guarantees, the operation of cryptocurrencies is supported by decentralized technology known as the blockchain. The idea is simple. Cryptocurrencies do not exist as a collection of bills or coins. Instead, they only exist on the internet. Consider them virtual tokens whose value is set by market forces caused by persons looking to buy or sell them. Cryptocurrency is made through mining, which involves using computer processing power to solve complicated math problems to earn coins. The good part is that users can also buy the currencies via brokers and then store and spend them with encrypted wallets. As of November 2021, estimates of the number of cryptocurrency coins available for trading range from 6,000 to over 10,000, with a total market capitalization of more than $2 trillion. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most well-known today. The top cryptocurrencies by market capitalization include Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, and Solana. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology is used as the base for most forms of cryptocurrency. This started in 2009 when Bitcoin was launched with an innovative use of blockchain. Blockchain is a digital append-only ledger that may be used to track or record practically any form of asset, from commodities and services to patents, smart contracts, and more. It's transparent, meaning transactions on a public blockchain are open to the public. Unlike a physical method of record keeping, the record of transactions is permanent and unchangeable. Why is it called blockchain? The system is created from blocks of data linked together in chronological order, so that's where the term blockchain comes from. All transactions are accessible to everyone on the network. Cryptography is used by blockchain technology to keep those transactions safe and in many cases to mine coins and tokens. Is blockchain trustworthy? In numerous ways, blockchain technology delivers decentralized security and trust. New blocks are always kept in a linear order. They are continually added to the end of the blockchain. After a block is put to the end of the blockchain, it is exceedingly difficult to change its contents unless most of the network agrees to do so. If that information is changed in any manner, the hash code also changes. Let's imagine a hacker who wants to change the blockchain and steal cryptocurrency. Their copy would no longer match everyone else's if they changed it. When everyone compares their copies, this one would stand out, and the hacker's chain would be rejected. How does cryptocurrency mining work? Crypto miners employ specialized computer hardware to do the sophisticated mathematical cryptography required to confirm each blockchain transaction. This procedure, known as proof of work, requires miner to do billions of calculations to validate a block of transactions. Crypto mining is a very competitive industry. The procedure is based on network-wide consensus, which validates each transaction without a central authority. If a miner is the first to validate a block of transactions on a certain blockchain network, they may be rewarded with new coins after completing a set number of calculations. What are crypto exchanges? Most crypto can't be traded on a regular exchange, except for new crypto-based securities. This is why you need a crypto exchange. There are 3 cryptocurrency exchanges: centralized, decentralized, and hybrid. While centralized exchanges are currently the most popular way to trade cryptocurrency, it's vital to understand the differences between the 3 to determine which is best for you. Centralized. A centralized cryptocurrency exchange is a platform where cryptos are purchased and traded with the help of a third party. On a centralized exchange, you can trade crypto alongside traditional currencies, such as the dollar. Decentralized. Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, are more in line with the spirit of cryptocurrency because they allow crypto investors to trade directly with one another without the use of a middleman. A DEX may be more secure because no central platform can be hacked. In addition, because there are no third parties involved, you may notice lower fees and faster transaction rates on a DEX. Hybrid. Hybrid exchanges are less common than centralized or decentralized exchanges. They hope to combine the best of both worlds, such as the liquidity of a centralized exchange with the confidentiality and anonymity of a DEX. Other factors to consider when selecting a cryptocurrency exchange include simplicity of usage, if your assets are insured, and other factors. The future of cryptocurrency. Regarding cryptocurrencies, it's clear that people have different ideas. On one side, supporters like Bill Gates, Al Gore, and Richard Branson argue that cryptocurrencies are superior to traditional currencies. On the other hand, people like Warren Buffett, Paul Krugman, and Robert Shiller are against it. Krugman and Shiller, both Nobel Prize winners in economics, see it as a Ponzi scam and a vehicle for criminal activity. According to futurists, cryptocurrency will account for 25% of national currencies by 2030, suggesting that a large portion of the world will begin to believe in Bitcoin as a form of commerce. Merchants and customers will increasingly accept it, and its volatile nature will imply that prices will continue to vary, as they have for the past few years. What do you think about blockchain cryptocurrency? Do let us know in the comments section below. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Growth Mindset and click on the bell button to keep up with the latest technology and trends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.